Hello everyone, I'm Nitin and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn this amazing split screen effect. Let's start with these three clips. Now here is my first clip, as you can see here. And what I'll do is I select the second clip and put it under the first clip and just increase the time limit of it. Now what I do is I go to the effects panel and there I will search the simple effect, that is crop effect. I'll just simply drag and drop onto the first clip and onto the second clip. Now what I do is I go to the effects control panel and there you can find the simple crop tool, and there what I have to do is just crop it as the crop. You also know what is crop tool, and you can use in photos and also in videos. So I will use in this video. I'll just crop it by left, as you can see. Any amount of it which is your preferable, like you need the main shot in the frame, so the other which is unwanted part you can just crop it out. And just like this I crop 25% from the left and 25% from the right side. And what I'll do is I'll just go to the motion section, and there what I'll do is just position it the main scene of my video. That's just like this. So it's this simple. You have to just crop your clip and place it onto the side of your frame. Now what I'll do is I'll go to select the second clip, and then I'll go to the motion. I don't have to crop it, I'll just have to motion it, give it some motion, like give it a perfect frame where I wanted to place it, just like this. Okay, now as you can see we have these two clips and we have this separation between them, and I have to make that like white square type or border type thing. So for that I'll go to the pen tool, select this square tool. Now I'll just make this little like rectangle type border. I'll just increase it by the length. Then I'll go to the essential graphic panel, and there I have to change the color in white. You can change it by any color, whichever you wanted. I'll choose the white color. Now as you can see, let's play this clip full on. Let's play it. And there as you can see it looks good. To move to the last and the third clip. Now what we'll do here is I'll just move this graphic onto the top layer, and I move the third clip under that, and I'll just increase the length of the third layer. As you can see we have to crop it too. Like let me just increase the length. Now you can scale or do anything with it. What I'll do is I'll just crop this thing as well. Now for that what I have to do is I have to go to the crop section and put the crop onto the clip, and go to the essential controls, and there I have to crop this clip too. Now as you can see I cropped these two by 33%, because that is the perfect ratio for dividing a frame into three sections. Like the frame, if take the frame as 100%, then divided it by 3, that will be 33%. Okay, now we have to move this graphic, like this white line. So for that I'll just put it, motion it, position it this side, and I just have to duplicate this layer. Okay, and just duplicate that, and you have to position it as well onto the next section, just like let me do it this. Okay, now that's the perfect sections divided. Now that is the video. Okay, now if you want to adjust, you can adjust your frame just like this. I have to adjust this frame, so what I'll do is just crop a little out and crop it from this side. Okay, so that will give me the perfect frame which I wanted to show in my video. I'll just put it, like move it in the center. I want this frame, so I'll move it in center, and I'll just crop it out from the both side. So you have to do a little bit of readjustment, but in the end this effect will surely benefit you. Now let's start with that second split effect, that is a diagonal split effect. Now for that we will use some different effects. Now let's start this effect too. So I have these three clips with me. I will just put those clips under and up each other, and I will go to the effect section, and there I will find this radial wipe. Then I will put this radial wipe 2 times onto the first clip. That clip will be on the top. Then I'll go to the effects control panel, and there you will find this radial wipe section. And as you can see, as you start this playing with this values, you will find that you will have this radial crop tool. Okay, now you just have to like do 50%, you will get a straight line, and if you do this angle by 130, you will have this diagonal line too. Now you just have to adjust it by white center, just moving like these values, just like this. It looks good to me. Now what I'll do is I'll go to the second radial wipe within this video, then I'll adjust this too. Now for that, first I'll do this transition to 50, and what I'll do is starting angle will be -50. Then that will give me the same diagonal line. These lines would be parallel to each other. Then I'll just have to like adjust it with my own needs, just like this. I want this to be here, and it looks pretty good to me. Now let's move forward. Like I have to adjust these clips. Now I'll just click it, and first I have to just adjust it where I wanted it to be onto the right side, top right side. So I'll just go there and put it there. Now increase the size, and as you can see, one big problem in this, that your clip is visible to the other side too. Now for that, what you have to do is you have to go to the radial wipe section and put it on the second clip as well. Now go down to the radial wipe and first give it to the you can give to the 50. I think 50 is the best. It will give that straight line to you. Okay, I'll just type 50. Okay, that will be good. Now I will put here -50 as well, so it will give me that straight line. I will just adjust this thing to my personal preference, so it will hide behind the first clip like this. And we don't have to like mess it with the third clip, but if you want, you can adjust it, the best part of it, the best where the frame looks good, you can adjust it as well, but there isn't any need for that. Okay, but you can do it, it's your choice. Now our video is just ready. Now we have to get those bars. For that, I will just grab the pen tool and make a line here, just like this. Now what you have to do is give it a stroke, like increase the value so it will be visible. Okay, now just you have to do is just duplicate this layer as well and put it where it should be, like place it perfectly just like this, and our effect is just completed. Now what you have to do is just play this video and it will surely looks good, and you will love this effect. Okay, so if you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button as well as subscribe button for more amazing tutorial vlogs and all the videos that you like. And goodbye, take care, sayonara, bye bye.